Today we're in Germany at VDM Cars. I drove for over 3 hours for two very good reasons. 2 insane Ferrari projects, 2 complete Novitec N-Largo conversions. They couldn't decide on building a 296 GTB N-Largo or a 296 GTS N-Largo. So they did both. And today we're not only going to show you the result, we're going to take you through the entire process. And after all the work that's gone into it, we have 2 beautiful 296 N-Largos. You have a GTS and a GTB out of 15 worldwide. Now, I was just talking to Armando. Looking at these 2 cars, they look completely different. Even though it's the same model, they're both 296s, they look very different and they have a different personality. This one for me is a bit more out there with the silver wheels, the green calipers. The green calipers are matching the green accents in the interior, OEM Ferrari options. And this one is just like an Assetto Fiorano pack with the Giallo Modena, with the black wheels. This is just matching, everything is matching. The painted Ferrari emblems matching with the yellow calipers. I mean, this car, black and yellow is a team with this car. It looks so incredibly good. But let's dive a little more into all the details. With an N-Largo kit, you get an entire new front bumper. And this front bumper fits into the new fenders. And the carbon fiber details here. Armando will probably include some detail shots because this is incredible. They are left exposed and you can see the edge of the paintwork here, which is done beautifully. And then the matching wheels, these are so out there. These are the NF11 wheels. The car has been lowered with the Novitec sport springs, bringing the car down about 20 millimeters. We have a beautiful carbon fiber front splitter here, same as this one. And if you compare the two, this one has an extra radar and camera at the front, and even that's possible. So you just get another front bumper to fit with the radar and the camera. Now looking at the side of this thing, I like the silhouette of this one a little bit more than from the GTB. With the top down, it looks so much more sexy, actually. And you have the perfect two-car garage. You have one for the sunny days and you have one for the rainy days. What else do you need? You obviously notice this massive side skirt. You need to be careful when opening the door that you don't step on the side skirt. And also a nice detail what Novitec does. You get a new N-Largo carbon fiber mirror, and obviously with the Ferrari carbon fiber weave. Now with the N-Largo at the back, you can have two options for spoilers. You can have a stand-up spoiler, or you can have a ducktail. And I would go for the ducktail every day. This just looks so good. It blends in with the silhouette of the car. This thing is incredible. Obviously also made completely out of carbon fiber. And then this piece matching the wing, blending it all together with the ducktail. Obviously Novitec exhaust with Novitec tailpipes. And at the bottom, we have a very, very aggressive carbon fiber diffuser. Like, it looks like it's ready to eat me. And I wouldn't be mad about it. Coming over to this one, the combination of these two would be perfect in my opinion. I like the spec of this one a little bit more, but I would prefer this one with the top down. So this one in a GTS, that would be the perfect car for me, and I would buy it immediately if I'd have the money, which I don't right now. And with the two stripes starting at the bonnet of the car, this all blends in together, and you have these two stripes down here as well, blending in with the rear bumper. And small detail, the Novitec logo in here is also in the exact same color as these stripes, the Giallo Modena, which is a beautiful detail, but necessary on a build like this. And once again, with a build like this, it's all about detail. This one has the NF11 wheels, this one has two. But this one has a Novitec center cap, and this one has a Ferrari center cap, because the Novitec center caps are directly interchangeable with the Ferrari ones. And it's all about details once again. So we have over here the Novitec logo, again in the Giallo Modena, same color as the accent colors on this car. Now coming back to this part, we almost brushed over it like there was nothing special. But speccing this from Ferrari is a expensive option. I think it's around, I don't even think I'm exaggerating when this is 15K of an option. But this was done afterwards as well. And the attention to detail, it looks like Ferrari did it themselves, but they didn't. But that's the detail these guys go into in creating masterpieces like this. Now these things not only look incredible, you obviously need the soundtrack to match it. These two cars are equipped with the Novitec power optimized exhaust with flaps, and it's equipped with sports cats. And that's where you make the real difference. So let's start this beast up. This thing is insane. I mean, obviously, stock, this doesn't sound very good. So you need sport cats, you need the power optimized exhaust, and unleash the beast, please. And driving over 3 hours to take a look at these two incredible cars was well worth our time, and I hope it was worth your time as well, because getting you the coverage you deserve on incredible projects like this, that's what we're all about, man. So if you like this content, if you want to see a lot more projects like this, well, click the like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.